Best Narration Voiceover award goes to the film Wild Karnataka. And the awardee is Sir David Attenborough. For Best Music Direction, the award goes to Kranti Darshi Guruji, Ahead of Times, and the music director is Bishak Jyoti. Best Editing Award goes to Shut Up Sona. It's a Hindi film, Hindi and English, and editor is Arjun Gauri Saria. Best Autography, that's re-recording, mixing the track, that goes to the film called Radha. Radha is basically an animation film, but still it deserves that prize. And Autography Award goes to Alvin Rago and Sanjay Maurya. Best On-Location Sound Recordist award goes to the film Rahas as Hindi. The award goes to the on-location sound recordist as Saptarishi Sarkar. It's a really tough film. It's on Ras Leela and capturing the sound from various different angles. Very, in a formal way, is a pretty tough job. Best Cinematography Award goes to the film Sonsi, Hindi film, and the camera woman is Savita Singh. Best Direction, the film is Knock Knock Knock, it's English and Bengali, and the director is Sudhanshu Saria. Now, the best film on family values, the award goes to Oru Pathira Swapnam Pol. It's a Malayalam film, and the producer is Satyajit Ray Film and Television Institute, and director is Sharan Venugopal. Now comes the Best Short Fiction Award. It goes to the film Custody. It's also Hindi and English, and the producer and director is Ambika Pandit. The most quite prominent award we call when the film jury is there is we call it a Special Jury Award, which is quite a big award. And it goes to the film Small Scale Societies. And director is Vipin Vijay. Best Animation Film award goes to the film Radha. Producer is Fairy Cows, director is Bimal Poddar, and animator is Nitin Kharkar. Now, the Best Investigative Film, it goes to a Marathi film called Jackal. Producer is Neon Reel Creation, and director is Vivek Wagh. Best Exploration Film, the award goes to Wild Karnataka. It's in English. And producer is Amogh Varsha JS. And directors, there are 2-3 directors. Amogh Varsha JS, Kalyan Verma, Sarath Champati, and Vijay Mohan Raj. Best Education Film award goes to Apples and Oranges. It's also in the English language. The producer is LXL Ideas Private Limited, and director is Ruxana Tabassum. Best Film on Social Issues. This award has been collectively given to 2 films, shared by 2 films. One is Holy Rights, it's Hindi. Producer is Priyanka Pradeep More, and director is Farah Khatun. and it is shared with another film called Ladli. It's also in Hindi, and producer and director is Sudipta Kundu. Best Environment Film, the award goes to The Stock Saviors, and its producer is Rajiv Mehrotra, PSBT, and director is Ajay Bedi, and directors are Ajay Bedi and Vijay Bedi. Best Promotional Film, the award goes to The Shar, producer Little Lamb Films Private Limited, and director Bodhyan Mukherjee. Award for the Best Art and Culture Film goes to Shri Kshetra Ru Sahijita. It is Odia film, and the producer and director is Ashutosh Patnaik. Best Biographical Film award goes to Elephants Do Remember. It is in English. Producer is Films Division, and directors are Swati Pandey, Viplav Rai Bhatia, and Manohar Singh Bisht. Best Ethnographic Film, the award goes to Charan Atwa, The Essence of Being a Nomad. Producer, Films Division, director Dinaz Kalvachwala. This film is in Gujarati. Best Debut Non-Feature Film of a Director, the award goes to Khisa. Khisa is a pocket basically, a Marathi film, and producer is PP Cine Production, and director is Raj Preetham More. Wow, now comes the best non-feature film. The award goes to An Engineered Dream. Language is Hindi, and producer and director is Hemant Gaba. And that's all with the awards from non-feature films. Thank you very much.